This is the Rescue Meter Bless Starter Kit, a simple 20-second visual reset kit designed to support individuals during moments of sensory or emotional distress. Specifically, we are looking at moments when an individual's internal reserves feel empty. In this state, sensory input can become a screen storm, an overwhelming rush of static that makes processing the world difficult. It is helpful to distinguish this from a medical intervention. While you may have seen emergency kits for acute physical crises, this tool is built for a different kind of immediate need. This is a structured response for those specific moments when verbal communication becomes a barrier rather than a solution. By separating emotional support from medical treatment, you create a dedicated space to transform that nonverbal screen storm into a manageable win. The process begins with preparation. The kit must be placed in a predictable environment before it is needed. Choose a calm staging zone. A family kitchen table, a classroom desk, or a sensory-friendly booth all serve as effective stationary anchors. Because distress isn't limited to one room, the kit is also designed for portability, fitting easily into a daily backpack for support on the go. Having the tool exactly where you expect it prevents fumbling during high-stress moments, allowing the framework to work as intended. The framework consists of 3 steps. Step 1 is C. This is triggered the moment an individual begins to feel overwhelmed. Instead of asking the individual to explain their feelings, present the Quick Start card and the visual rescue meter. Ask them to point to their current state on the scale: green for full, yellow for re-energize, or red for empty. Success in this step is simple. The individual identifies a color. No verbal explanation or justification is required. Removing the pressure to speak allows the individual to communicate their distress safely, which can significantly lower immediate tension. Once the state is identified, move to step 2, choose. This transitions the individual into a calming action. Present the reset choice cards and ask the individual to select one visual icon. These represent simple physical resets. They might choose to take a deep breath or use the blue icon to step away for a 60-second break. Avoid the temptation to offer too many verbal choices. The strength of this step lies in the simplicity of the visual icons. Relying on these icons prevents decision paralysis, and it helps the individual move much more quickly toward a successful reset. The cycle concludes with step 3, bank. This step focuses on the successful completion of the reset. After the 20-second reset action is finished, direct the individual to physically record the event. Have them select a "Banked It" or "This Moment Is Mine" sticker and place it on a dedicated surface, like a notebook or a phone case. This physical record is the mechanism that builds a reserve of positive reinforcement, making the success visible. Documenting these tiny wins transforms a moment of stress into a tangible track record of resilience. With the sticker in place, the full visual reset cycle is complete. The framework is designed to be repeatable. See, choose, bank. By managing these small moments one reset at a time, you help build a significant personal reserve over the long term. For more resources, including Braille-friendly formats and advanced AAC accessibility tools, visit rescuereserve.org.
Hey, just take a second. You don't need to fix everything. See it, choose it, bank it. That moment is yours. See it, choose it, bank it. Now the meter is moving.